to the channel. We are on vlog number 2. I am super excited for this one. Really good one here. So, went to Ikea before all of the self-isolation started and got some really cute pieces. And I'm utilizing them in Noah's Playroom. So I wanted to make a video today about top 5 things to buy from Ikea that they currently have available on their website. So these particular pieces I bought for his playroom. You can obviously utilize them in other spaces in your home. I'll show you how I made them work in his space, and you know, I'm gonna do another top Ikea things to purchase video because I do think it's just one of those stores that like it's a no-brainer, you know, like you go to Ikea, more often than not you're leaving there spending a few $100. Like it's Ikea, like it's hard not to. So here we go, vlog number 2.
It was smooth sailing, heaven on the ground. It was you I needed, but now you're someone else. Say sorry, 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 what heard them all before. Now you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. All alone, it wasn't what you thought. Coming back for more, wanted me to go and now I'm gone. Congratulations, 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 congratulations. When I watched you go, how the truth changes when you're out there on your own. Say sorry, 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 what heard them all before. Now you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. All alone, it wasn't what you thought. Coming back for more, wanted me to go and now I'm gone. Congratulations, 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 congratulations. Say sorry, 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 what heard them